Okay, so we've been working with expanded form, and this first question on their homework is going to say, on the place value chart below, label the units and represent this number. So I have them just label their place value chart before anything else. And I just let them do it like this and not do the actual words because this is just faster. All right, so when we label this, we start with the ones place. So there's 9 copies of 1 in the ones place. Then we go to the tens, and we have 7 copies of the tens place. So 7 tens or 70. If we go to our hundreds, there's 6 copies of 100, so 6 hundreds. In the thousands place, there's nothing there, so we just put a big fat 0. In the 10,000s place, we see a 5, so that means there's 5 copies of that 10,000. So this is our number in the place value chart. And that's all they have to do is take this number and represent it in that chart. Now, this says write the number in word form. So this has been a little bit challenging because it's a lot of writing. So I have them write it out, and I have them look before the comma. So before the comma, I just have them say that word. We haven't really gotten to the millions yet, so we won't get that far. So far we've just been saying that comma says 1,000. So we have 50. So I just have them write 50. When they see that comma, they say 1,000, 50,000. Then everything after that comma is written just as you say it. 600. And we know this is 7 tens or 70. And this is 9. So this number reads 50,679. Now, down here in expanded form, they're breaking this number apart. So like we said, starting over here in our highest place value, we had 5 copies of 10,000s or 50,000. Add a plus sign. We have no copies of 1,000, so you don't need to put anything there. You can, but you don't have to. If you move over to the 100s, we have 6 copies of 100. So 600s or written 600. If you add a plus sign, you then go to your tens. There's a 7 in the tens. So like we said before, 7 tens or written 70. So it's just how you would write the numbers by themselves if there wasn't anything after here. Now, the easiest one is the ones because you don't have to add zeros. You just have to put the number 9 if there is something in the ones. And that is how you write it in expanded form. The same directions are on the problem below. So, using what you learned here, do that right here below. Just remember to keep what word form is, expanded form is, and know that you're just representing this number in this chart. Tomorrow, I'll post a video on the lesson 5 homework, which is comparing 2 big numbers with those greater than, less than signs.